Meaning of gushing.
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 Gushing. The word gushing typically refers to a sudden and forceful flow of liquid. It can also be used figuratively to describe an outpouring of emotions or words, often in an exaggerated or effusive manner. When something is described as gushing, it implies a strong and unrestrained release of energy or intensity. For example, the gushing water from the burst pipe flooded the entire room within minutes, or she couldn't stop gushing about how much she loved her new job. Overall, gushing suggests an overwhelming and uncontrollable surge of something.